For the first time in a long time, I'm gonna show you guys how to flip furniture. I don't know how to do it. This is gonna be my first time doing it. I'm a rookie at this. I've seen a lot of videos how people flip their used furniture, make it almost brand new, and resell it. So I'm gonna show you how I do it. What's the step that it takes, the material that you need, and so forth, so on. So I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna show you how it's done. If you have a better way, a better method, leave it down in the comment down below, so that I could learn and I could continue doing this. I'm gonna show you what I have here so you could see what I'm talking about. Omarete Vilato, Peso Production. As you can see, guys, this is the piece that I'm talking about. It's a little bit dirty. It used to be white. We're gonna reshape it, we're gonna reform it, we're gonna fix it, and we're gonna paint it. We're probably gonna add new handles if by any chance we need to. We're gonna add new handles. We're gonna make it new, brand new. So stay tuned for the journey. This is gonna be our first time doing this stuff. And excuse me if you don't see my face. I'm just trying to explain to you because I'm recording this by myself. So it's a little bit difficult. So as you can see, this is the piece. Okay, this is the piece that I'm gonna be reselling. I'm gonna flip it. Hopefully, come out good, and we can make a profit out of this. Stay tuned for more. Okay, guys, these are the tools that I compile, and these are the tools that I'm gonna be using to strip down my furniture, to paint it, and to sand it, and to tape it if I have to. And this is what I'm going to be using. I have my sanders over here. Okay, if you don't have one, that's okay. You could use just the sandpaper by itself. I believe this stuff is easier. But if you don't have one, you could use the sandpaper by itself. I have my screwdrivers. Okay, I have tape in case I need it. I have my blade, my knife, my drill. It's easier to remove the hardware. I have my sandpapers. I have the 80 grit and the 220. This is softer and this is a little bit harder. So what I will do is I will probably use the 81 to remove the first layer or the paint, and then once that's done, I'm gonna use the 220, which is very smooth, to finish it off, to make a nice topping, if that's what you call it. This is not right or wrong way to do it. You just gotta make it look presentable, make it look nice, and fix it, and see if somebody wanna buy it from you. So this is what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be doing this type of work. Hopefully this paid off. This is the first time that I normally do this for somebody else. Hope it works, and let's see how it goes. Thank you for watching. Omarete Vilato, Peso Production. Okay, guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this rag and clean it a little bit. So any dust, I will remove it from here. This is gonna be a try and error. Okay, so I'm gonna start by doing this. Like I said, excuse me. I saw you how to wear a mask. Like I said, I got my sander over here, and I'm gonna give it a try. So let's continue. Let me know if I'm right or wrong, but I don't think it's any right or wrong. I think it's a choice how you want to do it. But the way I seen it before, the way I've done it before, for my personal gain and personal use, is go in the same stroke back and forth instead of on circular. Because I believe when you go, like I said, when you go like that, you're gonna damage you're gonna leave marks. And then when you paint, those marks gonna show. So I prefer to go back and forth instead of going on circular method. That's my point of view. That's the way I prefer. And like I say, I don't think it's any right or wrong how to do this. Okay guys, I'm done with this part. Probably I sanded down more than what I wanted to, but that's fine because at least I achieved what I wanted. This paint was like a type of cheap paint. I wanted to get a better paint that look good, that look professional, that look clean, smooth, and the person who's gonna purchase it from me really enjoy it for a year to come. So probably people that normally do this stuff, probably they wouldn't go that deep in the sanding, but that's fine. Because I'm gonna get a very nice paint, durable. So like that, this stuff will look good and will look like a very professional job. What I'm gonna proceed to do is I'm gonna remove the drawers. One trick that I learned, I'm gonna label the drawers so when I put it back, I know where they go. Okay, so I'm gonna remove them, I'm gonna label them, so like that I will know how to put it back and where they belong. Thank you for watching. Okay guys, I'm gonna proceed removing this drawer. As you can see, it's kind of tight. So this wood right here, I found a corner inside. Huh, that's good. You're gonna fix it a little bit. This look like it's kind of a little off. Those little thing at the end, you fix it with wood filler. So the screw from inside, to remove the handles, you have to use a Phillips screwdrivers. But I'm just gonna label it first. I'm gonna label it in the back. So this is gonna be the left side number 1. This is the way I label it. Left side number 1. So we will be right here on this side. You look good. So let me see. Yep, left side number 1. Let me see. Left side number 1 is perfect. Put it right here. Put it on the top. Let's go with right side number 2. You get the message. You find this stuff in there, so you got a message. What needs to be done is label your drawers, so like that when you put them back, you know where they go. Okay, so they will not be crooked once you're done. You take my mask off. So like I said, you know, label your drawers so they will not be crooked when it's time to put them back. What I'm going to proceed right now is to remove the handles, and I'm going to leave it like that for now. And hopefully in the next video, I'm going to show you the sanded drawers and when I started painting. Okay, so for now I'm just going to remove the handles and leave it alone. I think this is enough for the day. You don't have to rush. Take your time. Let me say one more thing. A lot of people normally when they do furniture flipping, they calculate their time. I just started like little more than I think half an hour doing this. It normally taking more time because I'm making this video, but normally it just took me half an hour or less. I could say less to sand down the top, and I mean it's probably gonna take me another half an hour to an hour to sand the whole drawers and set it up for painting. So normally people calculate this by hours. I don't do that. I'm not gonna do that. This is gonna be like a side hustle. I'm gonna just sand it down, make it look beautiful, make it look nice, make it look neat, make it look like brand new, so other people go enjoy it. Okay. Once again, this is gonna be part 1 of this video. Hopefully you stay tuned and you can watch part 2 when the drawer will be sand down, the new hardware gonna be in place, and ready to paint. Once again, Omarete Vilato, the Passion Production. Thank you for watching.